Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relations and Function Exercise 1.3 question number 8. Let's see the question. Consider f r plus means positive real numbers to 4 to infinitive given by, it is in an interval, so 4 is included, to infinitive given by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible. Invertible means it should have both the f inverse exits. F inverse exits means it should have both the one-to-one and onto function. It satisfies both one-to-one and onto function. If it is like that, f will be bijective and invertible with the inverse of f. So that is the inverse here, given by the f inverse is given by f inverse of y is equal to root of y minus 4 when r plus is real positive real number is the set of all non-negative real numbers. So if it is positive real numbers means we need to show f inverse y is equal to root of y minus 4, and also we need to show whether it is, we have an inverse. For that we need to prove it is one-to-one and onto function. As I told before, to prove one-to-one, f of x is equal to, f of x1 should be equal to f of x2. Here we need to prove x1 is equal to x2. If we prove this is equal to this, then we can say it is a one-to-one function. Now x means in the place of x we need to substitute x1. So x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. Here both get cancelled. Now we have x1 square is equal to x2 square. If we take square root, or if square goes to the side, it goes as plus or minus x2. But we need to prove x1 is equal to x2. But here we got x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. But the condition given here is the function to be r positive. That we are substituting only the positive values. So as f is a function from r positive, we can write this to be x1 is equal to x2. Therefore it is one-to-one function. Therefore f is one-to-one function. So it has become one-to-one function. Now we need to prove the onto function. For that, let y is equal to, I am taking y to be f of x. So y is equal to f of x, we know it is x square plus 4. So I want this to be written as x is equal to, so bring 4 to the side. So y minus 4 is equal to x square. Square to the side, it becomes root plus or minus root y minus 4. Here the given condition is x belongs to positive real numbers. That means it will have, we need to substitute only the positive real number value, means there will not be any plus or minus. As x is greater than or equal to 0, we can write this to be x is equal to root of y minus 4. Now we know that x is greater than or equal to 0. I am just substituting the value of this to be, instead of x we know that y minus 4. So root of y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, because this is the value of x. Here taking root to that side, it becomes square, so 0 square is 0. So y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 4. If 4 goes to that side, it becomes plus 4. So from this is the range. From range we can understand that the range is nothing but y is nothing but the range values. Here the range value are greater than or equal to 4, means 4 is included till, as it is greater than till infinitive. So infinitive also included in it. Here we can say that according to this we can substitute any values of positive numbers only. So if we substitute any positive values, the range from 4 to infinity, from 4 to infinity we substitute the root, we have a number on a root, we have a value on a root value. So that means that the y value is 4 and greater than 4 till infinitive. If we substitute any value, it will be a root value, that is any real numbers value, positive real numbers value. So there exists a x value. That means from 1 to 1 we know that it is a 1 to 1, and we also have one value for x. We have one, if we substitute any value in x is equal to root of y minus 4, we have a value for x. That means, therefore, codomain equal to range, we can say that f is onto function. It is a onto function. We also found the range. Therefore, f is bijective and invertible. We also found that value of f inverse y is equal to root of, that is value of x is equal to root of y minus 4. Here, instead of x, we can also write it to be f inverse x is equal to y minus 4 for positive real numbers. That's all with the sum. Thank you.